Welcome, my name is Ben Corcoran from Lichess here. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Lichess. Okay, so to sign up for Lichess, first thing you need to do is to go to the registration. The easiest way to find the registration is to actually click on sign in. When you click on sign in, it will say username or email, password, but underneath everything, underneath here, it says register. So we're going to go here to register. And here you can type in your username, password, and email. So, for example, I'm just going to create an email or username that's similar to my email. And then once you do that, you just agree that you will not use any assistance, you will be nice to players, you will not create multiple accounts, and that you will follow all Lichess procedures, okay? And then you want to click I am human. Next part is you want to check your email, because they would have sent you an email and you should click on the link to activate your account. And once after you open up your email and clicked on the link, it's going to take you to your profile. And then all you have to do is once you get to your profile, you click on Lichess, and then you'll be right back to this very screen here at the very beginning. So, and then here, a couple of things you can do. If you want to play right away, you can either choose quick pairings or lobby. But to show you underneath quick pairings, there is a plus. So anytime the numbers on the left side, that's the minutes, and on the right side is how many seconds is increased. So you got your total minutes of the game, and then on the right side is how many seconds increased per move. So there's no increased here with 5 minutes. But here it's 15 minutes with 10 seconds increments per move. You go to lobby, it's the same thing, but people create their own time control and what they want to play. Like someone created 2 minutes with 180-second increments. That's kind of crazy. Corresponding, it's multiple days. So if you ever click on one, it's going to take you to that time control and you can start playing right away. So if you ever wanted to play in a tournament, all you have to do is scroll down a little bit and look at these open tournaments, and all you have to do is click on a tournament and read the rules and make sure that you meet certain requirements in order to play in that tournament, and then go ahead and start playing. If you ever want to challenge anyone, all you have to do is click on the search for the player you want to play against. For example, I want to play against a game against Lichess. I can either watch games or I could challenge to a game. So I can click here. I click the type of game, which is most likely standard. Time control, you would probably select here real time, and then you would select here how many minutes per side, which is, for example, 1+0 is a bullet game, which you would scroll down to here. But if you're playing in a tournament and you're supposed to play against somebody, for example, if they say game of 15 with 5 seconds increment, you do 15 here, and then you change the increment to 5. And you can either select rating or rated or casual. Casual is unrated, and selecting the rating is rated. You can always select here for random side, so it doesn't matter what color you play, or you can select black if you want to play as black, or you can select white if you want to play as white. So that will do it. So if you like this video and you want to see more like this, please hit that like button and subscribe, and I will start making more videos. I'll see you at my next video. Thank you.